Hey guys, it is me Ubed, and today I will show you how you can build a rebilling system for your voice AI agents, and you just build it for one client and then you just resell and rebill for all the others, right? So that will be the goal of today's video. So I was working for somebody and basically they have a lot of clients, 30 to 40 clients like already in the GHL. They are an GHL agency, but now they want to serve voice AI agents, right, to all of their clients. Now, if they go traditional route and they build it for one by one, that will take like a lot of time, right? But here, what we are using is a rebilling system that's powered by Assistable plus GHL, obviously. GHL is basically the CRM of your client, and this will allow you to build your agent once and then import all of those agents in all of the other locations. And by locations, I mean, other clients, right? So, yeah, let's see. So, if I go to now sub account, I have three clients here or three sub accounts here. One sub account is referring to one client. So let's say this one client, uh, let's go for this one. So this client, Warrior Scholar, they want voice AI agents and we have built it, right? So I am just going into their account, open a new tab, and this will take me to their portal, and so all of the things related to voice AI agents are here, and this will be visible in their GHL also. So same thing will be here in this custom menu link also, right? So they can access this either way. They can access it through their GHL, but you can access it either way, right? Now let's go into the assistant part. Assistant is obviously the agent, and we have two agents. So new lead caller and review request caller. Review request caller will just ask for the reviews of their existing uh, users, right? In this case, it will be their students or their parents, students' parent, right? And new lead caller we just call the new lead who is interested in their school, right? Now these two agents, so we have built it for this client for one time, right, for Warrior. Now we want to use this same agent for our other clients, and you can see there are a lot of clients, so I want to use it for Samurai, right? Samurai is another client. So now I have it here. If I go into their account, and you will see that I have these same agents just imported into their account. And all I just had to do is import by their unique ID. And I will show you how. So you go into create assistant, you import it with their unique ID. And every agent has an ID which is right here. You just copy it and you paste it. And after that you can have their name change or some little adjustment, obviously, because every client is not exactly the same copy of other. So you do that, and calendars are already attached. You just give them the IDs of the calendars. Let's see. So not for the review caller, but for the new lead, this calendar is for Samurai, right? And if we go to Warrior, this calendar is for Warrior, right? And calendars are like already synced with the assistant, so you don't have to do like all the calendar setup for each client. And also now, so now we have seen like how we can import like same agents for like others. Doesn't matter how many clients you have, how many sub accounts, you can just have your plan upgraded for that. Now let's go to rebilling. So by rebilling, I mean we are getting charged, let's say 10 cents per minute for a voice AI agent. Now we want to charge our client, let's say for Impact Martial Arts, I want to charge them 49 cents per minute. That's what I want to charge, right? Because, you know, I have spent a lot of time building their agent, right? So now they have to pay me that fee. But in Vapi or retail, if you can't do that, you can't rebuild their minutes. You have to do it manually. But here, what we're doing is we turn on the rebilling, and then in manage rebilling, we attach a customer ID of the Stripe account with a client. So we in Stripe we create a customer, and every customer has an ID obviously, and we just save it here. And also you have to do the Stripe connection. You do need a valid Stripe account verified by your business ID, so that's definitely there. And now the magic is you can charge for voice minutes, right? So now for this client I'm charging them 49 cents per minute. And basically this goes like, we sell them the package, let's say $500 per month. In $500 we give them a fair amount of uh, minutes, right, which will be used. Now if their usage exceed that, then we charge them high, right? So that's the way to go about it. And also you can charge for like every other thing, like chat messages are also there, WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever things are there, and also the SMS. Then knowledge bases are there. If they have a PDF of let's say 500 pages, you can charge for that. You can charge separately for the phone numbers. And let's say they say like, hey, I will pay you some money in hand, just add it to my balance. I want to use some minutes, so you just add them manually, right? Monthly allowance kind of thing. So that is the setup to go about it when you're talking about rebilling and reselling the voice AI agents. Because if you are doing like separately for every client, that's not the way to scale, right? And this tech stack, so there is one more company, Voice AI Wrapper, and that is more flexible. Voice AI Wrapper, yeah. And this is more flexible, even better than Assistable, right? So you can try it out, obviously, because their pricing is uh, you know better than Assistable, but this is more technical, obviously. Assistable is just like, everything is there. You just do need to understand their stack and then apply things, otherwise it will go like really out of hand, like really quick. But yeah, here you can see the pricing and all. For Assistable, you just go to Assistable website and see the pricing. I will not talk about that much. It's up to you, whatever you like, right? And how much you want to spend and invest. But yeah, that was it for this video, right? So basically you build agent for one client, you resell them, and you rebill your clients on the monthly basis, so that you are the centerpiece, right? You just don't build your agents for your clients in the retail in their account, and then you take your 2000 $1000 or whatever one time, and then that client just pays to retail, and you are looking at their face, right? So there's yeah, that was it for this video. And if you are working on any custom project, you can reach out to email or the WhatsApp and we may build things together. Also, one other thing you can do is you can join my school community. All the links are in the description, and you can go into the community and post your doubts if you have any, uh, just like this one. I was not able to reply, but I will reply. Right, so I try to reply them. Oh, this yeah, this person came into my WhatsApp DM and I, yeah, had a meeting with them. So it goes like, whenever you post it here, I try to answer it within like 24 hours. Otherwise, if it's more important and urgent, you can reach out to WhatsApp or email. Okay, I am always excited to hear more use cases you are building, and yeah, that was it for this video. Thanks for watching.